I'm about to tell you something that's gonna piss off every guru on the internet. The reason you're not making money online isn't because you don't know the right strategy, it's not because you picked the wrong niche, and it's definitely not because you need another $2,000 course. The real reason you're broke is because you're not lying to yourself about the right things. Successful people lie to themselves strategically, and today I'm gonna show you the 5 biggest lies you need to start telling yourself to finally make money online and break through to your first 10K month. I'm Renzo, and just 4 years ago, I had $4 in my bank account, asking my mom for Chipotle money, and today I make over $100,000 a month online, and I've helped hundreds of students achieve similar results. The difference? I started lying to myself about the right things, and it changed everything. Lie number 1, I don't need to be perfect to start. Here's some free game. The first lie you need to tell yourself to make money online is that being imperfect is actually an advantage. Most people think they need to have everything figured out before they could help someone make money online. That's the truth that keeps you broke. The lie that makes you rich: my imperfection makes me more relatable and trustworthy. I landed my first $2,000 client by literally saying, I'm learning this as I go, but that means I'm going to be more invested in your success than someone who's done this 1,000 times. Lie to yourself that inexperience is actually a selling point when trying to make money online, because sometimes it actually is. And if you're someone who's been stuck in perfectionist mode, waiting for everything to be just right before you start, like this video so I know I'm not the only one who's been there. The next lie you need to tell yourself to make money online is lie number 2, I'm already successful. You need to lie to yourself that you're already successful when learning how to make money online. Most people walk into sales calls, create content, and approach clients from a place of desperation when trying to make money online. They're thinking, please give me money, I'm broke. That energy repels money. But here's what I discovered. When I started lying to myself and acting like I was already making $100,000 a month, everything changed about how I approached making money online. I walked into calls with confidence. I priced my services higher. I spoke like an expert because in my mind, I already was one. Your brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what you consistently tell it when learning how to make money online. So start lying to yourself about your success level and watch how differently people treat you. The next lie you need to tell yourself to make money online is lie number 3, I don't need a huge following to make money. Here's a lie that will save you years of wasted time when learning how to make money online. I can make money with a small, engaged audience. Social media has brainwashed everyone into thinking you need 100,000 followers to make money online. Here's the reality. Quality beats quantity every single time. My student Juan Carlo has 278 followers and he's landed multiple 2,500 a month clients and made $1,000 in just 24 hours from recurring payments. My student Caleb Cho has 200 followers, but he landed his first $1,750 profit client because they lied to themselves that followers don't equal dollars when trying to make money online. And you know what? That lie turned out to be the truth. Stop chasing vanity metrics and start lying to yourself that you already have enough audience to make money online, because you probably do. Now, before I share the next 2 lies you need to tell yourself to make money online, if you want to see the exact system I use to go from $4 to $100,000 a month, I put together a free training. This helped my students like Paul make over $30,000 a month, and you've seen hit $35,000 in a single month while still in high school, all by learning to lie to themselves strategically about making money online. Check the link in my description to check out the free training. The next lie you need to tell yourself to make money online is lie number 4, failure is impossible. This is the lie that changed everything for me when I was learning how to make money online. I can't fail at this, I can only learn and get better. Most people are paralyzed by the fear of failure when trying to make money online. They think, what if I lose money? What if I embarrass myself? What if it doesn't work? That fear keeps them stuck forever. But when I shifted my mindset and lied to myself that failure wasn't even an option, everything changed. When I invested that $5,000 in coaching with money I didn't have, I told myself this has to work because failure isn't possible. That lie forced me to take massive action and make it work. The truth is, you might fail, but here's what actually works. Telling yourself failure is impossible. I can only learn, adjust, and win. Start lying to yourself that every setback is just data, every no is just practice, and every mistake is just tuition for your success education. Here's the next strategic lie when learning how to make money online. I deserve success and I'm worth investing in. Most people tell themselves they can't afford coaching or they don't deserve help when trying to make money online. The breakthrough came when I realized I needed to flip the script completely. I lied to myself when I spent $5,000 on coaching with money I didn't have. I told myself I'm the type of person who makes investments like this work. That lie forced me to take massive action and make my first $2,000 in 3 days. Lie to yourself about being the type of person who deserves deserves success and takes the actions necessary to make money online. Here's what nobody wants to tell you about making money online. Sometimes the lies you tell yourself become the truth when you're learning how to make money online. When you act successful, you become successful. When you act like failure is impossible, you find ways to make it work. When you act like you deserve success, you start getting it. The strategy for how to make money online is simple. Lie to yourself about who you are until you become that person. But the execution requires you to commit to these lies even when they feel uncomfortable. Most people aren't willing to fake it till they make it when trying to make money online, and that's why most people never make it. But for those who are willing to strategically deceive themselves, I have over 300 documented success stories of people who lied their way to making money online successfully. Now at this point in the video, you might be wondering, okay Renzo, but what business model should I actually lie to myself about? That's why your next step is to watch this video where I break down the exact AI messaging business model I use to go from $4 to $100,000 a month and why it's perfect for beginners who are ready to lie to themselves about being successful. If this video helped you see the power of strategic self-deception, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.